Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariana here, back with another video. And today's video is going to be a unboxing slash reaction slash review of the Wildflower Cases. Guys, I saw the word wildflower probably about a year ago, and it's been on my YouTube subscription feed for a while, but I just didn't know much about the brand. And then I watched a video and I saw the cutest case, and I was like, okay, I want to order some Wildflower Cases, I can make a whole YouTube video, yada yada. Well, they finally came in the mail. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that lovely, beautiful, gorgeous red subscribe button down below so you can join the family, so you can get more of my content. If you're enjoying my videos so far, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below so we can talk about it in the comments. So before I get into the cases, I have done a couple other case reviews on my channel. Most recently I did one for Bing cases. I actually got 3 super cute custom cases sent to my house. And if you guys want 10% off these cases, go down below in my description box. I'll have the link there, and my discount code is Ariane10. Go get your affordable and cute cases. I really love this case, and it has the neon sand. Okay, we're not gonna get caught up in that. But yeah, that's Bing cases. This is Wildflower Cases. So let's just start off off jump. Their packaging is different. Their bubble bags or whatever these are called are different. This is a high quality bag. I don't know what the packaging for the individual cases looks like. I'm hoping that it's not clear. Okay, it is clear. Okay, so I got 2 cases. I mean, I remember the cases that I got vividly. I'm not gonna tell you guys because it's gonna be a surprise. So let's shuffle it. Oh, what's that? Oh, they gave me stickers. Okay, we'll talk about that later. Well, I guess I'll show you guys. They gave me stickers. Oh, this is actually cute. Surprise, one of these is actually the print that I have for one of the cases. That's actually super smart. I think Wildflower was actually created by an influencer, so I'm sure she's kind of hip as to what people want. But okay. Case number 1. And both of these cases are actually super cute. So I think this is the front. You guys get to look at the cases first per usual. Let me know what you guys think about them. All right, here we go. Oh, okay, I'll show you guys and then I'm gonna open it. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna do this for the second one. No, you guys get to look first. What do you think? The texture of the inside of it is very interesting. Anyway. Okay, and oh my eyes. Yes. Oh, this case is so cute. Okay, so this is I think they call it the matcha phone case. Yeah, so it's this matcha heart case. It is so cute to me. Here you go. Yeah, you can see it better right here. Love it. Wow. I can't get over how the inside of this case feels. Okay. So as you guys know, either from the title or just from watching my videos, I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. And of course I have the gold iPhone. You guys can't even really tell. Gold iPhone, love it. So let's put on the case. All right, this case, it feels definitely protective on the sides, but it's not as durable as I thought it was gonna be, but let's just put it on. It'd be funny if I got it for the wrong phone. Ooh. Okay, what do we think? Is it cute? I think this is definitely very cute for mirror selfies. Wow. And I think it looks nice with the gold. If I would have got the blue iPhone, it wouldn't have worked so well. This is so pretty. I like the black on the side. I haven't had a phone case with black on the sides ever. It has wildflower on the sides. This is a really cute case. I like it. I like it so far. It feels good on my phone. It actually makes my phone feel not as bulky. My phone feels very slim. Wow, this looks good. I kind of want to take some selfies. Wildflower, you did your thing with this first one. And I like the packaging. I guess we can look at the packaging more. This is very professional, very branded. It gives a story. Personally, don't care about the story too much. This is nice. Oh, and it has this, I forgot what this texture is called. Very nice texture bed for the cases. This is nice. Wow. Okay, Wildflower, I see you. I see you. So for this first case, I'm gonna rate this a 9 out of 10. I really like it. Oh, and the case comes off. Let me show y'all. It comes off so easy. Okay, that's a huge plus. Okay, second case. Oh, I saw it before you guys. Sorry. So in my last video when I unboxed the Bing cases, I told you guys I was very like impressed with how the cow print case came out, and so I was like, why not try a leopard print? Oh, this would have been perfect if it was kind of like a velvet leopard texture. Ooh. Ooh. Again, same thing that's inside the other one. The leopard is cute. Again, I wish it had like a texture on it, but, and it snaps in fairly easy. Is it in all the way? Okay, there we go. Okay. What do y'all think about this? I feel like my expectations are met because, I mean, obviously when I ordered it, I probably knew that it didn't come in like the velvet texture, but I feel like that would really take this to the next level. But this is definitely cute. Not as cute as my green matcha one, but definitely cute. This is more of a basic one. And I'll post pictures or videos if it's too hard to see, but I love how it has the wildflower insignia right here. Very cute. I love how it's like 3D, so you can actually like feel it. These cases are nice. I don't know how protective they are. They seem like they could be kind of protective, but wow, everything fits perfectly. Wow, they doing their thing or whatever. Yeah, this is my favorite. This one is cute as well, just not as cute. But definitely gonna keep it, like definitely not returning it or anything. Wildflower, y'all have nice cases, and I think what I like about Wildflower is they're in the middle. So Bing cases, they are definitely super affordable. Their cases, like none of them are over $24, I don't think. Wildflower cases, I think the retail price is $37. I got a 10% off coupon, so they were like $33 each. Not ideal, right? Ideally, a case should be $9.99, but if you want a cute trendy case, you're not gonna find that. $33, $37, that's annoying, but it's not too bad, okay? Not too bad. Casetify, I really like the different designs that they have on Casetify's website, but the prices are what get me. I forgot how much I paid for I have a custom case. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. I think I paid like $65 for it. And I loved it at first, but now I'm kind of cool. So I don't think I would get another case like that. I may get a different type of Casetify case, like the popular photo grid case. That may be my next purchase. But you gotta put the matcha back on. The matcha is very, very cute. And honestly, I could actually see Casetify having something like this. Trendy, colorful, super, super cute. But yeah, Casetify is expensive. Wildflower's in the middle, and then Bing cases are super affordable. So I feel like at the end of the day, it depends on what you want. If you want a lot of different design options, I personally would suggest Casetify, but know that they are super expensive, but their cases are super protective. That's probably their best selling point, the fact that they have super protective cases, and they can get more protective. Like, I didn't even get the most protective one. They have ones that actually have like bumpers on the end. I didn't get that. Bing cases, their cases are also super protective, and they're thick too. So I highly doubt that your phone would crack. I will say, going back to Casetify, this isn't linked to the phone protectors, but I did get a screen protector from them, and it did crack the other day, so I got a new one from Amazon, and I love it so far. But just keep that in mind when you buy screen protectors from Casetify. But Wildflower cases, they don't, I guess I was talking about the designs. Casetify has a whole bunch of designs, but they're expensive. Wildflower Cases has a pretty good amount of designs, not as many, and I don't think it'll be as appealing to all people, but they do have nice designs. And I think it could be because I have a 12 Pro Max. I think if you have an older phone, there's probably way more cases. Same thing with Bing. Bing had a bunch of case options for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but there were even more with the older cases. And I get that, like, this phone is new. It's gonna take a while for all the designs to catch up with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So overall, really like this case. I like how this side feels. For some reason, this just feels so good. I'm liking it. Would I buy another Wildflower case? I think so. I don't think I'll do it anytime soon. I did get the two cases that I liked. I wish I could have gotten this in brown. I probably would have gotten this. Okay, I probably would have gotten this and then this case in brown in all honesty, but the brown was sold out. But I'm really happy that I got green, and I would probably like to replace this one with the brown, but it is what it is. Again, really satisfied with my cases. I can tell these are definitely quality. Let me know down below if you guys are thinking about getting a Wildflower case. From this, I would say if you have like the extra cash for it, definitely go for it. Or again, if you want something more affordable but still has super cute like designs and things like that, definitely go to Bing Cases, use the link in my bio, get 10% off. You can also get 10% off with Wildflower Cases if you're a student, or if you just use Honey. Honey, you know, they be hooking us up all the time, whether you're a student or not. You always get discounts for the most part on the website. So overall, I'm definitely really satisfied with my Wildflower Cases. I will be keeping this on for a while. And comment down below, let me know if you guys are interested in Wildflower, if you already have a Wildflower case, or if you're like, no, I'm not doing any of that, I'm just going to Amazon, which is also a great idea. I think eventually I'm going to get like some of those like silicone jelly cases from Amazon because they're super cute and they're still protective, which is what I care the most about. I need protection for my phone because I drop it all day, every day. All right, y'all, that's all I have for you guys in this unboxing slash review video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment if you haven't already. And if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Join the family, okay? I have more videos coming up for you guys all throughout the month of, well, not just throughout the month of April, but for the rest of the year, because we are being consistent. This is the most consistent I've been since starting my YouTube channel, and I'm seeing like the growth happen. So this is all really good. Again, oh, before I go, if there's any other like places that have really cute phone cases that are cheaper than Casetify, let me know down below in the comments and I'll do a review if I like their website. But all right, y'all, I'll see you on my next video. I'm sending love, I'm sending peace, I'm sending hugs, I'm sending smiles, I'm sending money. No, I'm not sending money your way, I'm sorry. I need money to be thrown my way. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.